Meantime, when it comes to what's next for your portfolio, our next guest sees the market broadening out in 24, sticking with his soft landing thesis, saying the pace of rate cuts might actually end up being slower than expected next year and into 25. Joining us today, Fidelity Investments Director of Global Macro, Jurrien Timmer. Jurrien, great to see you. Happy holidays.
Good morning.
Looking over your notes, I mean, you argue the Fed's likely done. Earnings season was solid. Very few signs of imminent danger. Can it be this perfect?
Well, I mean, it has been certainly a soft landing so far. I mean, maybe that's, the time when I say that right before the anvil hits, just like in the old cartoons. But, the economy has been resilient. I mean, I don't think there's any way around, drawing that conclusion. Of course, a year ago, we were all fretting about the yield curve, and I don't want to dismiss the yield curve as an important indicator. It is, of course, but there are legitimate reasons why the economy has been resilient, and I think the consumer is sort of front and center, right? The consumer is employed, wage gains are keeping up with inflation now, debt levels are manageable, right? I mean, consumer debt peaked during the financial crisis and has been moderating, at least as a percentage of GDP. And so it's a pretty good story. And I've been on like 6 airplanes in the last 9 days, and they're all still full and everything is busy. I think the economy has been to some degree immune to interest rate hikes, and now we're at a point where the Fed has gone 500 plus basis points in a pretty much a record amount of time, and inflation is coming down, certainly not to the levels that the Fed would like. Headline CPI from 9 to 3, certainly good, but core CPI, core PCE still in the high 3s. But the Fed is, legit restrictive. It's well above the inflation rate, no matter how you slice that. And, the prospect of at some point the Fed giving back a few of those hikes the way Alan Greenspan did in 1995, I think is a plausible scenario. Maybe not for 2024. I saw that the market may still be ahead of itself there. But if the Fed can give back some without the economy going into recession, then by definition, it will be a soft landing.
And the market does what then next year?
So the market obviously has been very narrow, as we all know. It's been the Magnificent Seven, and that's not just a story for this year or since COVID. It's really been a story for the past 9 years. We've had this completely one-sided leadership of what I call the Nifty 50, but it's more like the Nifty 10. And everything else has been sort of left behind. So non-U.S. stocks, value, small caps. And so a lot of those stocks have just not participated, and there are 2 ways that this could happen, right? If 2024 ends up the year of the recession and you get this one more lurch down, then that's not going to happen until after that's over and the Fed starts to cut rates, et cetera, typical cycle. But the more optimistic, glass half full scenario is that the emergency is over in terms of the Fed reining in rates to tame inflation, and then the market can broaden. And if you look at a longer-term chart of the SPW, which is the equal-weighted S&P 500, it's a very good proxy to follow. It's the same S&P that we all know, but it's equal-weighted. You have this long uptrend line and the stair-step pattern of big advances and then like eternal sideways consolidations. We had one for 20 months in 2015, 14, 16, another one in 2018, Volmageddon, remember that whole period? And now we've had one for 22 months, but ultimately those holding patterns give way to the rising trend lines, at least they have so far. So that's what I'm betting on, that the market will broaden, and you have stocks like dividend-paying value stocks that no one has wanted to touch, but they're still sitting at the lows of this bear market cycle, and they're offering a yield of 5.4%, a dividend yield. I mean, competitive with bonds. So there are a lot of areas where you can look for stocks that haven't really joined the party yet, and that might in a soft landing scenario.